Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last some videos we starting the lesson number 10, urbanization. The name of our lesson number 10 is urbanization. In that videos we completed some points. Discussion between Suresh and his father Tatya, a farmer. Then industrialization, trade, migration. Here students, we start the next point, transport and communication. In last video we complete the point mechanization and technology. In that video we can see lots of advantage of mechanism and technology in various fields. In that point we can see lots of advantages of mechanism and technology in various fields. Here now let us start. Our next point is transport and communication. In regions where transport facilities like roads, railways develop, urbanization of small rural settlements occur rapidly over there. For example, after the development of Konkan Railway, many villages like Savarde, Ratnagiri, lying close to its proximity, have started urbanizing. Convergence of important rail routes through Bhusawal, district Jalgaon, led to its rapid growth. Rapid growth means fastly growing. Give it a try. Obtain information regarding development of settlements, villages, towns, etc. located on the main transport routes in your surrounding in the last 5 years. Our next point is migration. What is meant by migration? Migration is a major factor affecting urbanization. Here student, for the urbanization, migration is a major factor. This migration can be short term, long term or permanent. 3 types of migration here. First is short term, long term or permanent. 3 types of migration. Migration occurs from rural to rural area, rural to urban area or urban to urban areas. Here 3 types of migration as like rural to rural area, rural to urban area and urban to rural area. The attraction of higher standard of life has also resulted in an increase in migratory population in the cities. For example, migration occurring in cities like Mumbai, Pune from other parts of India. Then next point is effects of urbanization. What is the effects of urbanization? Urbanization is a main fact. Because of urbanization, the characteristics of region change largely, very rapidly. We can experience the difference in land use. For example, the land under agriculture is now under the industries or residential use. While there are many advantages of urbanization, some problems also arise. Here student, most of the advantages due to urbanization, but some problems also create them. Here advantages of urbanization. Which are the advantages of urbanization? That is social harmony, modernization, amenities and facilities. These are the advantages of urbanization. First point is social harmony. There is an increase in secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupation with urbanization. Hence, economic activities increase. These areas grow rapidly. Cultural and social customs and traditions are exchanged as people from different parts live together in the cities. This creates social harmony. Harmony means communication. Modernization. Then next point is modernization. In cities, people from different areas migrate. You know students, in cities, people from different areas migrate. Their wisdom, skill and knowledge is exchanged easily. These areas are the first to get advantage of updated knowledge and literature. Here, the first to get advantage of updated knowledge and literature. We can see new projects related to industries and business. Coming up here, urban settlements get an advantage of new ideas, update technologies and technological facilities there are. As the result, the standard of living improves. Here student, due to the new ideas, modernization, the standard of living improves. The standard of living increase, higher living of standard here. Then amenities and facilities. Next point is amenities means also facility and facilities. Various amenities and facilities develop in urban areas because of urbanization. Transportation, communication, educational and medical facilities, fire brigade, etc. are very important. Here student, amenities and facilities. Amenities also means facility. Various amenities and facilities developed in urban areas because of urbanization. Due to urbanization, many facilities in urban area, that is transportation, communication, educational and medical facilities, fire brigade, etc. Because of good transportational facilities, journey becomes easier. Due to the good transportational, the journey is easier. Journey becomes easier. Its positive effect is also seen on freight transport, markets, trade, etc. We see that even educational facilities develop well in urban areas. Student in urban areas, many colleges, schools available. Many students come to urban areas especially to access the services of higher education like Pune city. Medical facilities are also well developed in urban areas. Big hospitals, ICU centers in big cities. To avail of these facilities, to profit. Avail means profit. Many patients and their family members come from different parts of and stay for short periods.